Welcome to our Grand Deluxe room designed to provide you with a truly relaxing experience in the heart of Bangkok. This room is available in both single and double bed options, with soft and comfortable mattresses and pillows for your complete rest, whether you come alone or as a couple. Every room offers Bangkok city views through large windows. The relaxation area in the room consists of a comfortable soft sofa and a large 55-inch TV for you to enjoy your favorite programs during your free time. On the side, there is a work desk with a large mirror, suitable for reading or working comfortably, with a desk clock that can charge your mobile phone wirelessly. We have also prepared a hot water kettle and coffee making set with Starbucks. Under the desk, there is also a small refrigerator that can keep drinks or snacks cool and fresh at all times. Personal items we have prepared for you to borrow in the room include umbrellas, toothbrushes, toothpaste, and sleepwear, so you don't have to bring anything troublesome at all. In our bathroom, we have soap, shampoo, bath towels, and face towels clean and ready to use at any time. Before entering the bathroom, we also provide hand sanitizer to make you feel clean, safe, and comfortable throughout your stay, because we believe that these small details are what create impressions for every moment of your relaxation. Come and experience it yourself at the Bangkok.